Top 5 apps like Facebook Internet Tracking Settlement Email Prepaid Mastercard that actually work today. If you receive a Facebook Internet Tracking Settlement email about a prepaid Mastercard, you won't believe what happens next. There are apps that actually help you claim and manage your funds safely. Most people get this wrong, thinking the process is confusing, but the right apps make it fast and reliable. First up is PayPal. Linking your settlement to PayPal allows instant access and easy transfers to your bank account. Their app makes tracking deposits simple, and you get notifications whenever funds are received. Second is Venmo. This app is great if you prefer mobile-first management. You can receive your prepaid funds, split payments, or instantly transfer to friends and family. Many users love its speed and transparency. Number 3 is Cash App. Cash App allows you to deposit your prepaid Mastercard funds directly, use them for online purchases, or withdraw to a bank. It also provides instant notifications and spending insights. Fourth, we have Apple Wallet. By linking your Mastercard to Apple Wallet, you can use it for contactless payments anywhere Apple Pay is accepted. The app also keeps a history of all transactions and balances. Finally, Google Wallet. Similar to Apple Wallet, this app lets you spend, track, and even send your funds securely. Its easy integration with online stores and apps makes managing prepaid settlement money painless. In conclusion, while receiving a settlement can feel overwhelming, these 5 apps simplify the process. From instant access to seamless spending, you can ensure your funds are used safely and efficiently. With these tools, you won't just claim your money, you'll maximize it.